Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna do a super easy Dollar Tree DIY and kind of see it back here. It looks super cute. So the end of the year is coming, and last year I made a vision board, which I poured my heart and soul into it. And one of my goals for this year was to hit 100,000 subscribers. This close, so close to achieving that goal. I honestly couldn't have done it without every one of you out there that's really supportive to my channel and my videos. And I appreciate every one of you that's new and just tuning in. If this is your first time here, welcome and thank you so much for joining us today. I would love it if you became part of the DIY family by subscribing to my channel and hitting that bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. I do want to do a giveaway for when I hit that big milestone. I'm gonna pick 5 winners. 2 winners are gonna win a $25 Dollar Tree gift card, also my favorite AdTech Pro glue gun, and a pack of the giant Gorilla Glue sticks. My absolute favorite for crafting. My other 3 winners are gonna win a Dollar Tree goodie box. So the only thing you have to do to enter this giveaway is make sure that you're subscribed to my channel, and also in the comments down below, make sure you comment 100K. We on our way. Let's get on to the DIY. I have this fall sign from Dollar Tree. I'm just gonna flip it over and use this side right here. A Dollar Tree bag that has the little red truck with the tree. One side is nice and shiny, and the other one's just like the flat watercolor. Some Dollar Tree string lights. They do have the 9-foot long garland at Dollar Tree, but from this wreath, I'm just gonna take a few of these little stems, little foam beads from Dollar Tree. I have some of this white fabric. I'm actually gonna switch out this sign for this one because the piece of the bag fits better on this one. I'm cutting out the headlights on the little truck because that's where the lights are gonna go.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child.
I'm gonna mark right in the center. Taking my wood burning tool, I'm gonna make the hole right in here.
We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh.
So from the cable that comes up from the battery pack, I'm gonna count 5. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna bend the wire and then slip it through that first hole.
I wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk.
I'm gonna twist them together, and then I'm gonna start twisting them from the very top and then going around.
In a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you.
Okay, so now going on this end, I'm gonna do the same thing over here. I'm gonna take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the little lights, twist it together, and then start bending it from the very top. And if you guys can see, it kind of just looks like a little cinnamon roll.
As long as I spend this day with you, so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh, 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 ooh.
So taking the little strands of the greenery, I'm just gonna take one piece and then the other, and I'm gonna make sort of a cross. Flip it and just go like that.
Spend this day with you.
I am on my way again. Can't believe it's been a year. Riding through the winter night, thinking of my only wish. I don't need a perfect snowman, and I don't need the bell
So for this we're gonna need one of these Dollar Tree signs, the little red truck ornament, 2 of the little Christmas tree miniatures, a small dowel, and a giant popsicle stick. I also have a little more of this fabric, and again they do have towels that look like this at Dollar Tree.
Look at all the Christmas lights, how they paint this town in colors, but they hold nothing next to you, 'cause you're shining like no other. Ooh, I don't want what's wrapped in paper. No, I don't long for gifts of gold, but I'll be home for you. Oh, I'll be home for you. And I'll be home for you. I'll be home for you. Following the stars.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way, but as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas.
You guys, thank you so much for joining me today. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget, we are trying to get on our way to 100K subscribers. 5 lucky winners. The rules will be in the description down below. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you leave me a thumbs up. Leave me your comments, questions, concerns, and 100K we on our way to enter this giveaway down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!